अस्सलाम वालेकुम, सबको खुश आमदीन। एक ज़बरदस्त एक अनोखी लाइव सेशन में मैं हूं एंजल आई। आज हम बात करेंगे कैट आयर टीबीसी प्रोजेक्ट पे। कैट will launch trading Bitcoin TBC spot trading and incited Candy Drop XTBC trade to share 20.618 TBC. Get will launch trading BTC trading during Bitcoin TBC spot trading on July 15.50.225 at 9.58 US UTC and will start the Candy Drop airdrop event. And Candy Drop is the Candy airdrop platform launched by Get, where user can win candy by completing tasks and participate is the distribution of tokens airdrop. This round will distribute a total of 20.618 TBC. During BT during Bitcoin TBC spot trading start time July 15.1 2025 9:28 UTC. TBC deposit address https www.get.com. My account deposit DBC. TBC trading address https www.get.com. Traded TBC USDT. Token ID https dot explorer dot trading bitcoin dot io. Candy Drop event time July 50 2025 9.9.58 July 22.2028 0.9.00 UTC. Total price pool 20.618 TBC. Individual sharing limited 100 TBC. Thank you so much, Iglai. How are you, brother? Participate method. Click the join button on the event reference and after successful joining process with the can corresponding tasks. Candy drop will start counting your wallet activate data. Receive participating candy based on task completing and share the airdrop property. Candles will be distributed 1 3 hours after the user completing the task. Please log in to check the candles operating from Candy Drop 3 hours after completing the task. TBC. TBC is the pioneer of the Bitcoin virtual machine BVM and has implemented a scalable BTC smart contributor layer selection based on BVM. Party total price pool 20.618, 5.619 participate, 04 days, 025244 event and scene. Completing task to share 20.618 TBC price pool. Twenty point six one eight TBC total tokens, 100 TBC individual share limited. Completing tasks and share price pool. Complete tasks 2025 7:15. Trader 1 DPC spot trading tax 5.00 USDT. Trader 2 DPC spot trading tax 1.17.00 USDT. Trigger 3 DBC spot trading tax 10.00 USDT. Activate rules. During the event, user activate 5.00 USDT in TBC spot trading volume, sum of operating plus closing of position, and can earn up to 9 candles from the 20.618 TBC reward pool. Question number 1. What are the requirements to participate in Candy Drop? User participating in Candy Drop are requirement to complete independent verification and click the join button on the event page. Only after successful joining will their activate data be considered market marks in deposits and decisions are not eligible to participate in this event. When will candles be distributed after completing tasks? Candy will be distributed within 1 3 hours after user completing tasks. Please log in and check the candles appearing from Candy Drop after 3 hours. Terms and conditions. 1. Participants must click the join button on the event page. After successful joining the event, complete the event tasks and integrated verification to receive and the reward. Rewards will be distributed winner 14 business days after the event. Total event rewards are 20.618 DBC. Three. Click register of multiply accounts. Requires volume manipulation, which wash trading, self dealing, or other cheating behaviors are stated. Multiply accounts verified under the com user. The com user identified will be considered a single account. Sub accounts are not eligible from participate. 4. Market marks, business and registration are not eligible from this event. Affiliated accounts cannot join referral activates but can participate in all other events without resistance. 5. In case of distribution between translated version and the English version shall prevail. 6. Get receiver the final right of interpretation for this event. User from restricted recurrent will be enabled to use all or part of the service and recurrent participate in this event games are context for details information. Regularity register regularity please refer to the user agreement. Eight. Risk warning user must bear in mind that carry cryptocurrency trading target is by multiplier for factors such as market and regulatory policy and market price are high volatility and in particular please pay close in attention to market risk and trade consultation. TBC smart contractors contract lawyer of Bitcoin. TBC is the pioneer of the Bitcoin virtual machine BVM and has implemented as scalable BTC Smart can trade lawyer selection based on BVM. What is new it at TBC? Sharing of TBC technology Dictional Partnership Principle. 5 minute read July 29 2024. Sport reading prize pool rules. During the event, user with a consolation sport trading volume 5.00 dollars TBC and can receive candy with different candy rewards. Unlock it basis on the restriction restrained up to maximum of 9 sharing a prize pool of 20.618 TBC. Spot trading volume, buy volume, sell volume. User airdrop with number of candles operating by the user the total numbers of candles operating by all user plus 20.618 TBC. Participate is TBC sport trading activates can earn you the following number of candles. Event details $5.00 TBC sport trading volume $7.000. Candy 2, Candy 3, $7.000 TPC spot trading volume $10.000. Candy 3, 5 TBC spot trading volume $10.000. Project Introductions. TBC is the winner of the Bitcoin Virtual Machine (BVM) and has implemented as celeb BTC Sport contract lawyer selection based on BVM. TBC will help unleash the full potential of Bitcoin and solve its congestion problem. In the future, BTC will no longer be just digital gold, not just a total for storing volume, but more likely to be used for detailed translations and have a negative smart contract lawyer like ETH. TBC will help BTC created a proprietary BVM ecosystem like EVM after TBC, completing a structured BIM. BIP propers upgraded the relationship between BTC and TBC will be like that between ETH and ARB. Token sample TBC official website https dot during bitcoin.io. Important notes. 1. Participate must click the join now button on the Candy Drop event page to jump to the draw during bit join TBC event the completing the that event tasks and enable verification to receive rewards. 2. Rewards will be distributed to user accounts winner 14 business days after the event ends. The total rewards pool is 20.618 TBC user airdrop reward. The number of candles operating by the user, the total number of candles operating by our user plus 20.618 TBC. 3. Future requisition of tags of fake accounts. Malicious volume manipulation, self trading, and other fraudulent activities are steady self propagated. Multiple accounts and other the come verified user will be considered as can accounts sub accounts are not allowed or to participate. Number 4, market marks. Edited interpretations and affected accounts cannot participate in this event. Number 5, in case of any discrepancy between the translated version and the English version and the English version shall prevail. Number 7, user in the UK and other restricted resistance by not have access to come or are receives. Receives indicate participating in this event games are competition. For details are resistance regularity, please read the user agreement. Number 8, this warning cryptocurrency trading is affected by version of Fastro integrated market condition and policy. The market is high volatility and price are unpredictable. Please be aware of market risk and trade securities. Refer to the fund filter operation guide. Get team July 14 point 2025. Get paid to crypto. Trade our 3.600 cryptocurrencies self-quality and easily on Get. Tag activate now. Sync up and claim up to $10.000 in welcome rewards. Individual friends can and earn a 14% commission. They can test it. Visit visit Get's official website. Download the Get app. This follow us on X Twitter to get more bonus. Join our Telegram competed to district requires trading topics. Engage with our global competing from this last insight. Transparency and security. Check our 100% proof of receipts. Relative artis- articles. Boom fund. Boom will be less listed on Get Sport Trading. Get will individual last below PAL Sport Trading and launch order airdrop. Get complete demonstrating by delegation and buyback of 41 coins included NS, N3 and ELS. Get to the list to the last 23 coins and insulated games, GameStop and KAP. Thank you so much, Ayla. ये सबसे ज्यादा अच्छा गिफ्ट मिला है मुझे. Get valid. Get valid money drop. Join the culture drop and share 142.857 ERA. Get alpha listed talker trade to share 600.00 talker airdrops. Boom fund. Boom will be listed on Get Sport Trading. Get will consideration for Boop Fun Boom Sport Rating on July 14, 2025 at 7.00 UTC. About Boom Fun Boom, the Boom crypto asset is the official intellectual coin of the Boom Fun movement's launch platform and the Boom Fund at automatic market marks AMM protocol target the bomb fund protocol. The bomb crypto asset will not be regulated in order to unleash the bomb fund protocol, which remain permissions holder of the bomb crypto asset by OPT to participate in professional giveaways from the bomb fund bomb protocols. The bomb crypto asset is a alternate coins that will be used. Also guide the bomb fund brand, guide the bomb fund protocols. Token simple bomb website https://bomb.fundpod. Twitter https://x.com. Bomb bomb pt bomb pt authorization tokens id. Sola sol https dot social.io tokens bomb cm plus qm deposit bomb art target bomb is USDT market view. Up user access bomb deposit get up acid spot deposit bomb trade get up trade spot upper left corner choice bomb. Get team July 14 2025. Gateway to crypto trade our 3.600 cryptocurrency self-created and easy and on get task action now. Sing up and claim up to $10.00 in welcome rewards. In Diwali friends and earn a 14 person commission. Stake and Saturday website. Visit Get's official website. Download the Get app. Follow use on X Twitter to get more bonus. Join your Telegram commission to discuss these trading topics. enacted with other global commission from this latest singles transparent and security check are 100% proof of receiver. Get complete delisted and buyback of 4-1 coins in circulating N3 and ELS. Get has indicated of thousand evaluation of the following coins and depositing that with non engagement or platform trading as a result. Get has distributed has coins from our trading market and integrated a buyback program from token holders on our platform. For equilibrium holders, we have supplemented the required application from GET has deposit the corresponding backpack account amounts into here GET amounts. Detail can be found in their translation history from any question. Please accept. Please assignment are token. Assignment are ticket or conduct on live customer support for essay nets. Coins to be delisted. Trading pairs to be delisted. N3 N3 USDT ELS USDT Arbitrar Home USDT Deal USDT March USDT Engage USDT. Line USDT. Okay, everyone is Candy Drop. Complete task to claim airdrops 5.56.58k total participants 5 1.44 M total airdrops USDT. Question number: what is Candy Drop? Candy Drop is an airdrop completing and launched by Get. User can earn candles by completing tasks such as participate in trading, deposit, invited friend, and more. The more tasks you completing, the more candles you earn in creation and channels of winning airdrop rewards. How to earn candles? You can earn candles by completing deposit decision tasks in Candy Drop types in collated trading special tokens, deposit and more. Each in completing task will create great you are amount of candles. Question number 3: how to verify to completion of the event tasks? After completing tasks, the platform will automatically verified without quality manual validation. You will see a promoted once two tasks is successful completing. Question number 4: when will rewards will be distributed? Rewards will be distributed to winner get accounts within 14 working days after the event ends. The can be rewards in Velvet. Balloon details user must complete independent verification before claiming rewards. Question number 5: you can the candles be accumulated from the next event. Candles are exclusive to each and event to cannot be repeated over the to the next one. चलिए अब लॉन्च पूल पे चलते। लॉन्च पूल kick staking and participant revenue tokens. 3 to 9.5 m staking. The 0.85 b founder rewards. 5.82 m plus participating for 84.6k estimated total rewards. Question number 1. What is the launch pool? Launch pool is a platform where user can stake their asset or profit indicated to earn rewards is now project tokens. User can lock tokens in their launch pool to receive contributing project tokens reward. Join launch pool now. How can I participate in launch pool? First, logging into your get accounts and negative to the launch pool page. Then close to the project you want to participate in and stake your set. Question number 3. What coins can I stake is launch pool? The tokens leveled from participate will be now encouraged to on the many page of us project. Please visit the prospecting page of launch pool to view more details. Question number 4. How many tokens will be rewarded? Wallet staking reward in divided latest one horse invalidated staking amount total pool staking amount all reward pool. System will tag Snapchat of individual staking amount each or and take the every average is the evaluated staking. Question number 5. How I reward distributed. System will tag Snapchat of indicator staking amounts and distributed tokens reward to available user. All earning will be distributed into user sport accounts. Question number 6. When will the staking asset be remitted? After the user admitted in advance or the staking is completing, the stake asset will be transferred to simple and by different. If the amount of redeemed asset is too simple and does not meet the maximum supplementation amount of sample, and the asset will be automatically referenced to spot asset. Question number 7. Can I redeem by staking assets and at any time? The system will take its multiply snapshot of personal staking amount each hour and calculation of valid staking amount. However, a redemption will result is the loss of associated rewards. Please maintain stable staking amounts of amount to earn such minimum rewards. थैंक यू सो मच जॉइनिंग माई लाइव स्ट्रीम। बाय बाय, अल्लाह हाफिज़। फिर मुलाकात होगी एक नए प्रोजेक्ट के साथ। तो हमें याद रखिएगा। टेक केयर।